So a tuple is another data structure. So it's known as a tuple or tuple. I never know how to say it. But the key concept with a tuple is that it's immutable. So immutable means it can't change. All right. So a list is mutable, means you can change it all around, move items, whatever. Tuple is immutable. So if you want to access the list, it's just the same as access the tuple. Sorry, it's just the same as we do in a list. So you can just print it out, and you can also do your index positions again, and that's fine because we're not changing anything. So that works exactly the same. All right. However, if we try to actually change a value, so if we did like that, so if we tried like we've done before, tried to change the value at position 1, which is banana, to blackcurrant, which you saw us do in the list, it says it does not support this. So it doesn't allow you to do that. Okay, so a tuple is immutable. All right, you can delete a tuple. So if we delete a tuple like that, you can do that, but it's just going to error because then I'm asking to print it out. So you can delete tuples like that, and that will run. It will set a tuple and then delete it. See, it's ran with no errors. But a tuple's immutable. So if you want to store a load of data together, but you don't want it so that the data can be edited, tuple's quite a good example of the data structure you might want to use.